Hello everyone and welcome to another English lesson. During this time of the year, it's really popular to make New Year's resolutions. Resolutions are kind of like goals, except they're often more general and they involve things we want to change rather than things we want to achieve. In this lesson, I will teach you 5 useful phrases you can use today to talk about your New Year's resolutions. I will also teach you some very useful phrasal verbs. Let's get started and improve your English today. By the way, is it New Year like this or New Year's like this? If we are speaking in general, we might say, I have several resolutions for the new year. That's perfect. If we are speaking specifically about the holiday, we would say, I have several New Year's resolutions. That's because these resolutions are because of or in honor of the holiday. So we capitalize New Year and add an apostrophe S. First, let's practice using the phrasal verb. I'm going to focus on eating healthier this year. This might be the most common New Year's resolution, to eat healthier. The phrasal verb to focus on just means to give special attention to a person, subject, or thing. So when I say, I'm going to focus on eating healthier this year, it just means that I'm going to spend more time maybe planning what I'm going to eat. Maybe eating less bad food and more good food, and paying special attention to this specific area of my life. Next, let's talk about the difference between I will and I'm going to. I might say, I'm going to exercise more this year. Both I will and I'm going to talk about the future, but I'm going to, we normally use to talk about decisions that we already made in the past. I will, we normally use to talk about either a decision that we made while speaking, or to show that we have more certainty about something that will happen in the future. So if I say, I will exercise more this year, it probably means that I'm more committed to exercising more. Next, you might have the resolution, I'm going to take up tennis. To take up something is a phrasal verb that basically means to become interested or engaged in something. It's almost like saying, I'm going to start playing tennis. Unfortunately, like many phrasal verbs in English, this phrasal verb has another meaning, and it means to occupy time, space, or attention. For example, I don't want to take up any more of your time. This is a nice way of saying, thank you, you've helped me a lot, and I want to respect your schedule, so I'm not going to take up any more of your time. Here's another example of learning. Right now, I'm in my dad's workshop, which is where he repairs things and does some woodworking. Woodworking is a lot of fun, but it takes some time to learn. If you're watching this video, you're probably more focused on your English, and that's okay. Here's another video that will help you with that resolution. Another one of your New Year's resolutions might be, I want to save more money. Oh, money. This might be the second most popular New Year's resolution. An interesting thing to discuss about money is the difference between budgets and financial plans. Budgets are very specific about how you will spend your money. Financial plans are more of a long-term strategy to help you achieve your goals in 5, 10, or maybe even in 20 years. Finally, let's talk about another really popular resolution. I want to be more organized this year. We can use organized in 2 main ways in English. First, we use organized to talk about our time and our schedule. So you might want to be more organized this year by changing your schedule so you have more free time. We can also use organized in a physical way. You can see that this room is very messy, and this is actually my fault. If you have a room that looks like this, you might want to be more organized this year by maybe cleaning and putting things in different places so that the room looks better. I really hope you enjoyed this English lesson. We practiced 5 useful phrases, including some unique phrasal verbs. You should practice your English by writing about your New Year's resolutions in the comments below. If you don't make resolutions, it might be interesting to talk about why you don't. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.